we have two major support and resistance. Is either we have a trending support and resistance. Let me just have that drawing
Yeah.
here. So is either the market is trending or the market is ranging. So when we say market is trending, the market is playing higher highs and higher lows in a bullish or bearish form. Now, this is a bullish scenario, a bullish case study. In a bearish case study, price is actually moving downwards. Price is moving downwards or creating higher highs and higher lows to the downside. Unlike the bullish where price creates higher highs and higher lows to the upside, on the bearish support and resistance, we have price creating lower highs and lower lows to the downside, just like this. So here we have this ranging support and resistance. Here we have the bullish support and resistance, and here we have the bearish support and resistance. So in a ranging scenario scenario, what we expect is that price keep reversing as resistance, or it sells at resistance and buy at support. Now, what does this simply mean? This support and resistance. The resistance clearly holds price from going above. So if market is ranging in one particular direction, price just keep creating highs and lows without invalidating anyone or invalidating the support level or the resistance level. But price keep creating higher highs and higher lows in the same direction. That is the case here we have here for the ranging support and resistance. But the keynote here is that when price gets to your resistance level, which holds price from going above, you have a reversal. And then when price come back to your supply level, which is the support level, you expect price to go back up to the resistance level. So in this form, you sell at resistance, you buy at support. You sell at resistance, you buy at support. That is how this support and resistance works. The same way it happens on the bearish on the bearish trend, you have your resistance above, you have your support below. So when price gets to your resistance level, you expect it to sell, right? And when it comes back to your resistance level on the bearish trend, you tend to look out for a low risk entry. Then you take another sell. So in this form, you keep going down. While in the bullish support and resistance, we expect price to hit the support, hit the support, reject back to the resistance, come back to the support, reject back to the resistance. In this form, keep placing higher highs and higher lows to the upside. Do you understand?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So like I said, the resistance holds price from going above and the supply holds price from going below. So now let's go to the charts and let's see what we have there. Let's get a clear explanation of that in the charts. Let me look for a ranging markets. Let's try 3 periods.
I would suggest that you check in gold. In gold, recent gold was doing such support and of a thing.
Okay, yeah, this is a good one here. So, okay, here we have a very clear, good example of a ranging support and resistance. So you see how this clearly works. Price create a low, create a high, now come to this high, take out liquidity, then reverse back. So price obviously keep playing in this, sorry, I'm looking. So clearly price keep playing in this zone, hitting highs and low in this zone. And this is on the 4-hour time frame. So if you scale down to a lower time frame, you see how much higher highs and higher lows you have in this space. But you can see clearly that here we have a ranging market. So what do we always advise traders to do? If you want to trade this kind of market, you look out for price to come back to your resistance and to your support level, then play back to your resistance. And when you get to your resistance level, you look out for an entry, then you want to drive down. But we best advise traders to always stay out of this kind of market. Like this is the kind of market where you lose a lot of money because you don't know the direction at which the market is going to break to. Now, it's clear that gold might likely just break resistance, right? It's very likely to just break resistance and then
yes,
and keep going up. It's very, very likely for that to happen. And it's still very, very much possible for it to break the resistance level and the support level, retest, and keep going back down. It's very, very, very stable for price to do it. So you don't know where the market is actually going to break into. So we always advise traders to stay out of this kind of market. All right. So this is for the
Yes.
ranging support and resistance. If you have any question, please, you can ask. Any question?
I think no for me. I think no.
Okay. So everybody's okay, is okay with my explanation, right? Can everybody hear me? Sorry, Mr. Elijah Sunday, are you here?
Yes, I'm here, sir.
Okay, everyone's okay, okay, sorry. For live, are you here? Favor, are you here? I think it's only me and myself and Mr. Elijah is on this call.
Yeah, I can hear
Yes,
you.
yes, we are here, sir. We are here. We can hear you. Good
Okay,
evening.
so I said, do you have guys do you have any question?
No, I have a question though, because actually I've missed class. Sorry about that, just because of my health, actually. So at this point, I'm kind of left behind. Maybe I'll go
Sorry.
and read the previous Zoom meeting so that I can be able to catch up with this one.
Okay, I think we'll drop it in the group.
Yes, yes, yes. I will read it. By tomorrow, I'll be done with it.
All right.
So I'll just be listening. Thank
Okay,
you.
man. So any
Yeah.
other person on the call understanding what we're talking about tonight? Please, if you have any question, you can just ask. So we can be clear that everybody's understanding it. Okay, since nobody has any question, I think we just have to move forward. So I believe everybody understands the ranging support and resistance. So now let's go to a bullish support and resistance. No, let's use a bearish support and resistance. I think I can clearly see one. So let's draw a support resistance level. Yeah. Okay, so we can clearly see from here now that we have a bearish support and resistance. Where here's our resistance. This is R. Here's the resistance, and here's support. Here's support. So what does this simply mean? When price comes to your resistance, you expect to push to your supply and your support. And when price comes to your resistance level, you expect to come back to your support. But right here we had a failed order here that failed to come back to resistance level, or still came back down to the support level, and then price pushed up, right? So this is how the bearish support and resistance looks like. So you always look out to sell at the resistance level and look out to buy at the support level. That's what it simply means, right? Then let's look out for a bullish support and resistance. I have one here. Let's try this. Here we have the perfect support and resistance here. So you can see how the support and resistance worked here in the bullish case, right? The bullish trend. You can see price came to your resistance level, which is this. Came to our resistance level, pushed back to the support. That was the support level. And in this form, price keep creating higher highs and keep moving to the upside. So you can see how this actually works here too. So this is a beautiful example of bullish support and resistance. The other one I showed was the bearish. And now here we have the ranging support and resistance. So now the next big question is, how do you trade this support and resistance? Look, especially the ranging support and resistance like the one we have here. How is it being traded? Right? So like I said, in a ranging market, in a ranging trend, what I always expect is for price to break out to one level, then retest, and then keep moving towards the direction at which it break out to, right? So for instance, we expect if we get something like a breakout from gold on this level, invalidating this our resistance level, what do we expect next? We expect price to come back for a retest of this level that has been invalidated and then keep pushing up. So this is what we're expecting about a break above. But if we have a break below, we do the opposite. When we have a break below, we expect price to break below, retest, and then continue going down. Clearly, this is what we should be expecting, right? So now another thing you should know about support and resistance is this. When the support level fails, it becomes a new resistance. So like we have here, we have this support level right here that has failed. And for it to fail, it now led price to this level, which is the lowest point price got to, right? Got to this level. So now our support level has now become our new what? Our new resistance level, because we're expecting price to come back there, resist, and push back down, right? So in this place now, we start looking out for another ranging market or another ranging phase, where we expect price to come back to this level, come back here, reject, and keep moving that form. If it breaks below again, we expect another retest, and then we'll push the trade again. Now, this is how support and resistance is being traded. So for every invalidated zone, every invalidated support becomes a new resistance. And every invalidated resistance becomes a new support. Do we understand that?
Yes, yes, sir.
Am I making sense? I hope you're catching up.
Yes.
Okay. So for every invalidated support or resistance level, you should expect a retest on that. Now look at what happened here now. We have this beautiful bullish support and resistance level being playing out from this level, the lowest point here to the highest point. And it started from this zone and kept pushing up beautifully, right? Now, observe what happened here. Immediately price invalidated this support level. What happened? It came back to retest it. It came back to retest it. And after retesting, it pushed down. Meaning our support level now became our resistance level right here. Are you guys with me?
Yes, yes, you are listening.
You understand, right? You understand me, right?
Networks are come again.
I said you understand me, right?
No, network.
Okay, let me take that again.
Okay.
When did you stop hearing me? Hello, are you on the call?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay. So I said, when your resistance level fails or your support level fails, it becomes your new, okay, if your resistance level fails, it becomes your new support. So I said, if this resistance level here failed us, this will now become our new support. And why is it a support? Because price has invalidated this resistance. So we're expecting price to come back to hit this level and then continue pushing up. I know anything that is below is a support and anything above is resistance.
Yes.
So if price has invalidated this resistance level, this resistance level now becomes our new support level. And if price invalidates our support level, it now becomes our new resistance where we expect price to come back to before pushing down, right? Yes. So understand this, and it's a simple concept you can use any day, anytime to catch good peeps for yourself. Now, so I came back to this bullish support and resistance here, and I said after this sweet respecting of the highs and the lows at the support level and the resistance level, price finally invalidated this support level here, as you can see, at this zone. Yes. And after invalidating the support level, what happened? It came back to retest it right here and then push down. So for every resistance level or every support level that is invalidated, if it's a support level, it becomes your new resistance. And if it's your resistance level, it becomes a new support. So now we've gotten a case study for resistance level. Let's see for support level. Let's look for a bearish change of character. Give a very good example. I'm just seeing a bearish wave. Let's see. Okay, I think I've seen one here. Sorry. I'm looking for a bullish, a bearish reversal. That's from sell to buy. Let me just go straight to 4 hours. Okay, let's use this for instance. Now we have price creating this. It's not really perfect, but it can be used. Yeah. So let's say we have this support and resistance in a bearish trend. We have this support and resistance. Now you see price go to the support level, go to the resistance level, push to the downside, go to the support level, push back to the resistance level, and finally invalidate it around this zone. So after this invalidation, now you see how price came back, retest this zone, and then moved up. First, it came back to retest it after, but came back again to take out liquidity. On the advanced level, when you get to the advanced level, you get to understand how liquidity actually works. So price came back to retest it, and then voila, you can see it started moving up. So it's the same thing that happened there after invalidating the support level because our new resistance. Here, our resistance level was invalidated and it became our new support. So this is a simple concept you can always use to take good trades for yourself. And you should always look out for it because basically everything you're doing on the advanced level still falls back to support and resistance. But that's just we explaining it for you in an advanced level. Can you guys hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
All right. So any questions so far?
No question yet.
Okay. So I think I'll be giving an assignment. I'll give you guys an assignment. So from what we just did today, you have to mark out your support level in a bullish trend, your support and resistance level on a bullish trend, your support and resistance level on a bearish trend, and your support and resistance level on a consolidation or a ranging market. Understood?
Yes, sir.
All right. So I think for you, I'll be drawing the curtain for tonight's class and dropping it as soon as it's done converting as well. All right, guys. Good night and do have a wonderful night rest.
Okay.